Effectively budgeting for credit card payments is crucial for maintaining financial health. Follow these steps. List all credit card debts. Identify and list all your credit cards, noting the outstanding balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. Analyze your income and expenses. Assess your monthly income and fixed expenses. Ensure your budget allows for necessary living expenses, savings, and debt repayment. Prioritize high-interest debts. Arrange your credit card debts by interest rates. Prioritize paying off high-interest cards first to minimize interest charges. Set a total monthly payment. Determine a total monthly payment for credit cards. This should exceed the minimum payment to make meaningful progress on reducing balances. Create a payment plan. Develop a payment plan based on your budget. Allocate funds to each credit card, emphasizing higher payments on prioritized debts. Consistency is key. Stick to your budgeted credit card payments consistently. Avoid unnecessary expenses that could hinder your ability to meet your payment goals. Consider debt consolidation. Explore options like consolidating high-interest debts into a lower-interest loan or balance transfer credit card. Emergency fund. Maintain an emergency fund to avoid relying on credit cards for unexpected expenses, reducing the risk of accumulating more debt. Regularly review and adjust. Periodically review your budget and credit card payment plan. Adjust as needed based on changes in income, expenses, or financial goals.